guys, welcome back to Arevalo Forever. My cousin, oh wait, I don't know what she is. My sister Chantel, my cousin Sammy, and we are gonna. Sorry. Okay. We are gonna go with my cousin. She's holding up the sign over here. We want her to do something. Go slide! So, yes. Here is the sign and we have her. But as you know, and
she looked at it and she freaking ignored us.
Yeah, she was like, oh, let's say
Maybe she
oh. And yes, this is a slime, but we're not sure. It's way too hot out here. She turned that way because she lives that way. I'm gonna go back. We're going back with the Uyghurs. But I don't know who it is. Rosie! Ross! Ross! Okay, fine, never mind. Okay, we are back with me. It's so tiring. Where's my cup? You drank my Capri Sun?
Oh, I don't know who that was. I just thought it was Faith. I brought one for Faith and Athena and not for you.
That scared me. Yes, please come. Yes, again, like this. Please subscribe. And if you are the first customer that comes,
Just
you
like cool.
are. Wait. Oh, she's feet. Wait, he's turning. Oh no.
Oh, she stopped.
Okay, if you are the first customer, you will get one free. So come by.
So,
Okay, so our vlog is taking bad place.
there was this one person. She passed already.
Girl, that person passed already. What does she want from us? She wants a free slime? Come get it. Our deals are Monday is free slime. It's a free slime. It's a free slime if you buy one. So it's buy one, get one free. Tuesday, just regular. Wednesday, regular. Thursdays, regular. Friday is if you buy
If you buy one,
But-
get two.